Operating principles. Procedure of coin harvesting. First, make 3 harvesting piles face rows. There are V-type guarding devices in front of every pile, which lead straws into the inlet. There are also real devices to nip straws in the inlet. 2 piles are combined by 4 screw claw type thrusting rollers. There are 2 in one side. Shaft of the roller and horizontal level from angle with 25 degree to 30 degree. Straws are fed in the direction of the roller shaft and nipped by the screw claws. Then the nipped straws are sent to the 2 small conveyors in 2 sides and finally to the grain tank through 2 steps of transmission. The cutting machine cuts the straws and ensures picking, conveying, encasement and straw cutting, and back to the field in one time. Three, performance and specifications. 3.1 Performance. Grain loss rate is less than or equal to 2%. Grain broke rate is less than or equal to 1%. Qualified rate of cut straw length is more than or equal to 90%. Loss rate of yields is less than or equal to 3%. Reliability is more than or equal to 95%. 3.2 Specifications. Model 4YW-3 coin combine harvester. Size, central distance 700 left, 670 right. Matched model self-propelled harvester is more than or equal to 58 kW. Productivity 0.27 to 0.53 hectare per hour. Forward speed 2.15 to 3.54 km per hour. Weight 2,100 kg. Number of working lines 3. Perfect row spacing 600 to 700 mm. Suitable row spacing 500 to 850 mm. Lowest height of yields is more than or equal to 350 mm. Dimensions, length and width and height 7,860 and 2,000 and 3,600 mm. Minimum turn radius 5.2 meter. Cut type, claw type and surfactant type. Number of claws 12. Working width of back to the field machine 1,800 mm. Spread width of back to the field machine 1,800 to 2,000 mm. Clearance apart from field is more than or equal to 300 mm. Minimum stop height is less than or equal to 50 mm. Grain tank capacity 1.8 cubic meter. Unloading type hydraulic unloading.